Hi everyone, today we are going to review how to properly MLA format your interview project essay. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that your fonts and your spacing is correct. The easiest way to do this is to hit Control A. That will highlight everything. Your font should be Times New Roman and it should be size 12. Your spacing on a paper should be double spaced. So you go over to these two arrows and click double. You then want to add a header. You can do this two ways. The first is to go to the very top of your paper and double click. You'll see that there's a box here with a gray line on it. Or you can go to Insert, Header. It does the same thing. Your header should be right aligned, meaning that the typing starts on the right side of your paper. So in order to do that, you click this button that says Right Align, and you're going to type your last name, and then you're going to insert the page number. Now, if I just type the number 1, you can see when I scroll down that it says Duropolis 1 on the next page. That is not correct. So what you want to do is click Insert, Page Number, and click this option. Now, when I scroll down to the next page, it has the next page number. Make sure that your header is also in the proper MLA format. The next part is adding a heading. This is just something that you type once. So you want to start by typing your full name, your teacher's name, the class, and finally the date. Remember, in MLA format, the day comes first, then the month, and then the year. You hit enter one time to write your title. Now your title should be centered in the middle of your page. So you should click this Center Align so that it works well. You want to come up with a creative title that includes your profession and something that's catchy. You do not just want to put interview project essay or something like that. So here's my title. The last thing that you want to do is to ensure that all your paragraphs are indented. All you have to do is click Tab. And you want to make sure that there are no wonky spaces in your paper. So you don't want to see spaces like that. Everything should look cohesive. So when I look at the paper, everything is double spaced. There's nothing more or less when it comes to spacing. The last part of MLA of your format is making sure that your works cited is included. You want to do that by going to your Noodle tools. You want to go to your interview project wherever you've kept your sources. Here I have my sources for my interview, my Gale database, and my website. You want to click Print Export and export it to a Google Doc. This ensures that it is 100% correct. Once it's here, all you have to do is copy and paste. So hit Control A, again highlighting everything. You copy it, and then you want to paste it on the next blank page. So one shortcut you can do is hit Control Enter, and then paste it. So now, at the very end, you'll do one last check. You should have your heading. I'm sorry, this is your header. Your heading, a creative title. You should have your body paragraphs that are properly indented and spaced. And then on the next blank page, you should have your works cited from Noodle Tools. If you have any questions, there's a how-to sheet linked in the Hyperdoc.